Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to start working on my Husswif. Now I'm not following along with the timeline date of Roxy creation. I know it's just finished and I'm very late to the party, but I'm just going to do it how I at my pace. So what I have done, I have got some wadding on the back. That is going to be my front colour base, the base of it. And I have done, it's hard to see, but I've done a little running stitch all the way around, which is my border. And then each section, I've done another running stitch in a different colour, where I know that that's what I want to put there and there and there and there. So that's the plan. Now my first section, as you will remember in my picture, or my plan, is this one here, and this is the big palm leaves in the Daintree. So this is going to go in this section here, in my first section, and we'll work on that today. So what I'm going to do is lay down some base things and then put my palm over the top of it, because when we were in the Daintree, look at these gorgeous big palm fronds. They were amazing, they were huge. And then we went down onto the beach. You walk through all this jungle type stuff and you walk down onto Cape Tribulation Beach, and it's just amazing because all of a sudden this beautiful beach pops out of the tropical rainforest, and then you see all these big mangrove roots, and it's just amazing to walk down onto. And we just seen all sorts of things in there, the butterflies, the waterfalls in there, the all these twisty vines as you walk through the rainforest, just amazing. And then this big stick insect that the caravan park there owner was showing everyone, it was just insane. And the butterflies, that's the one of the main rivers across the Daintree, and I just want to try and capture that in this section of today's work. So I've got quite a few fibres and stuff out. I've been looking through my fibres and just picking bits and pieces that I really like, and just to add to this, I think that's all I wanted to get out of there. I've mainly got what I need out of there, but that's my box of fibres. I also found this old shoelace in some of my OpShopping. Like, this is all sourced as the OpShop, guys, and I'm talking a bit softer because my husband got called out to an accident last night, and he I think he was out from 1 till about what was it, 7:30, 8:30, something like that. So he's asleep at the moment. Alright, and I'm up in my craft end. So I've picked out all these gorgeous fibres and things, you know, just bits and pieces. This stuff, I just love this stuff. Actually, I might cut that, and it'll just go perfect in this rainforest sort of setting, all this stuff. So I'm basically going to make a bit of a collage of the Daintree, using all these fibres and bits and pieces. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Okay, so what I want to do is lay down a base sort of thing, and then, like I said, I've got this fabric and I'm going to put my big palm fronds over the top of it. And we also, you know, I just want to capture the beach that was in there as well, so I might try and get a bit of this gorgeous blue sort of fibrey stuff that I found. This fabric, stretchy sort of fabric, but look at it. Looks like waves, doesn't it? It's awesome. So I'm going to sort of try and lay down a bit of a picture of I love this stuff because I want it to look like a, you know, a big vine or something. And I've got this stuff here, plus that stuff, all sorts of things here, all sorts of goodies. Some of this fibrous stuff, and it was all, yeah, like I said, all sourced at the OpShop, which is just awesome. This would look really great as a vine. Look at that. So I really want to use this shoelace, and so I might lay down my, got some of this stuff, I might lay down my brown vines and then go from there, because in the picture I want to put a butterfly and a bug as well, so it's going to take a little bit. I know there's a lot of work, going to be a lot of work in this, but I think I will have a blast doing it. So all these threads as well were sourced from the OpShop. They are all threads that I found and on big balls, and then have wound them onto actually that's all stranded threads that I found, so I won't use that one. These are all the pearl cottons. I've got a couple of boxes of them, and these all been found and sourced from the OpShop, except some of these shiny ones that I bought on new on rolls. So you know, I think we'll just pick some colours that will match what I'm sewing on and go from there, and have some fun. Hopefully that will stay out of the way up there. I've got so much stuff on my desk. Right, and I got a sizable needle because I just want to be able to get through my fabric easily. So I'm going to lay down some water first, so that that's going to peep through some of the vines and things, and I can see here where I've sewed my where I want to stop, sort of thing, my guide of where I want it to be, and I'm just gonna tack it down. Water tacked down, and then go from there. The other things that I want to put on, so yeah, I might I'm just thinking how keep that close by so I can refer to it. I've also got some brown rickrack in here. I wanted to put a bit of that on. Okay, now let's really love that. So I want to sort of just be able to put that on somehow, and then curl other things down around it. So what I might do, I might cut a bit of this. And I might tack some of that in. Just pull it out and yeah, I like that. Alright, I got those two things tacked down. Now, this is going to be where do my bits go? Okay, that's going to be my leaf, and I want to put a stalk in there for it. Then I want to bring maybe this big one in. This is really thick. I don't know whether I might try and take that. Oh, I like that. Oh, that looks good. I'll leave that on then. Pull it up. Oh, that looks awesome. Give this a tighten up down here. Oh, I want it to sort of get fatter as it goes down anyway. Oh, that looks cool. That looks cool. So, I might give that a couch down. looking beautiful. So that's my big craggy vine. And I want to put some other sort of bits and pieces in here too. Might try and tuck that under there. Here's some more of this variegated one. In as well. Now I'll start to put some leaves in. What's that big? Get some of this shiny thread and do the slow stitching with that. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've done quite a bit of slow stitching on this big palm leaf, and what I've done is I've pink sheared around the edges, and I've sort of rounded them off just to give them a more of a natural look, and I like that. And plus, when I've done my slow stitching, I have tucked under bits and pieces here that are close to the middle, because I want it to want to have a little bit of that white space like between the leaves as well. So I'm just finishing off this one, and oops, I'm getting caught on everything. So I'm just sort of tucking this under and then bring it back out, just so it gives me that little bit of space between these leaves. You can see that. I've just got a knot here, I think. Dave's woken up, and all his pickle wants to do is play. Just go over to this other side. And do the same down there. A bit thicker thread that I'm using. And, just want to tuck that little bit under and pin that down, and then there's no rhyme or reason to what I'm doing. It's just little stitches, little straight stitches. And then finish it off at the back. And then check out what I've done. Pulled it probably a little bit tight there, but that's okay. Alright, so that's my first part of it. I'll probably go ahead off camera and put a few other little bits and here it is here. Little bits and pieces on as well. And then I might come back and do the butterfly with you guys, and some sort of insect or something. And then I'll be on to the second section. Alright. So if you have any questions or whatever, just leave them in the comment box. And what else? I think that's all. If you're new here, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my channel. I like to have a go at all sorts of crafts. And this one is the Husswif, or the Housewife needle roll that everyone has been doing from Roxy Creations, but you know, they've all finished theirs because it was a March prompt, and I'm just doing my own thing. So I hope you enjoyed that, and we'll come back soon and do a little bit more. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the holidays, and I will catch you again soon for a new make. Bye.